smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another glam DIY project for you. Today I'm creating a floral perfume bottle. I hope you enjoy. Guys, I love to collect boxes because I love different shapes and sizes, and I love being inspired on what I could make out of them. I recently picked up a new set of digital scales for our bathroom, and I had this cute little gift box lid, and I knew it would be the perfect shape and size for what I had in mind.
All the scars start to heal.
I took them both outside and painted them this beautiful mirrored-like spray paint. I love creating things, guys, from next to nothing.
Give a little bit of your heart to me.
From my local dollar store, I picked up 2 of these adhesive mirrors. Now what I'm doing here, guys, is just placing them in the center first of all. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the shape of them.
Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers.
Positioning them into the center, I traced around a complete square. Once that was complete, I then took them away, and taking these foam flowers from eBay, what I did here is I went round and I hot glued them around the entire frame. Now it didn't matter that they were different colours, guys, because I was planning on spray painting them.
Baby, I just found the answer.
I took them outside and gave them 2 coats of that silver spray paint. I then hot glued to the centre those 2 mirrors. Once it was all secure and in place, I then took this bling wrap ribbon that I picked up off eBay. And what I did here is I went round the entire piece and hot glued it to the edges.
Are you listening?
I also did the top of the bottle. Now guys, just a note here, you'll see that underneath the flowers, some are still showing through pink. My recommendation here would be to spray paint the bottoms of these first before you hot glue them to the front. I then took this dollar store silver bow as well as this little brooch that I picked up from Spotlight, and I hot glued that to the middle. I then took another cardboard box, guys, and covered this off camera with all white flowers. This is going to be the top of our perfume bottle. I also took them outside and sprayed them silver as well. I then printed out a Dior logo. I used some bling wrap ribbon to go around a border, glued that to some cardboard, and then hot glued that to the centre of the bottle.
To feel it. All of these years, I've been listening.
Now I wanted my perfume bottle to sit in something nice, so I had this tray that I picked up last year from TK Maxx, and I knew it'd be perfect for my perfume bottle to sit in. Off camera, I hot glued those other flowers to the top of the bottle. And guys, this was such a fun DIY. I absolutely love how it came.
We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving it way too fast, way too fast. flashing light keeps it dead in my mind.
Guys, I absolutely love sharing inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home's glam. Here is a simple and easy DIY that hardly cost any money, and it certainly has the glam factor about it.
My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving it way too fast, way too fast.
I always preach that you don't have to spend a fortune when it comes to decorating. Follow my simple DIY tutorials, guys, and you could have something simple and glam that did not break the bank and was made from a cardboard box.
Way too fast, way too fast. Keep on talking to me, don't you leave me by myself. There's something in the way you're moving.
Guys, I'm always inspired by each and every one of you, so I'd love for you to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see me do making the next out of a cardboard box.
Till midnight, let's leave now and get undressed, undressed. When you look in my eyes and holding me close, I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down.
If you're a crafty girl like me, I like to see tutorials that are really easy to do. I like for you to look at this video and go, hey, I could definitely make that. Also, I have my DIY Z Gallery canvas here. This was a simple DIY as well, guys, and I'll leave a link to that video down below.
As we dance, as we dance, till midnight. You know we could get undressed, undressed. When you look in my eyes and holding me close, I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own Glam Floral Perfume bottle. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.